15 now, can't play. Kyle, play with me! Take care of me! Hi, this, they can take care of each other. Take care of me! Sorry, not Kyle, it's K. K-chan, I need you! Hi, what about John Cat, huh? John Cat doesn't even know who you are anymore. Who's K-chan? It's okay, John Cat is with KAELA in the other room. K-chan is a different person. Wait, how? John Cat is by my foot, so that means KAELA would have to be in this room right now. And I see no KAELA. What are you talking about? Liar. Look up. Okay, now I'm kind of scared. Get in here. Look up. I'm in the ceiling. Why do I believe you?